RV. Now this is a very beginner video because we are beginners. And this is not going to be a how to paint your entire RV. This is just going to be the basic steps based on the research that we've done. Because we live in our RV full time, so we can't really do it all at once. So this is hopefully going to be an easy, just step-by-step of what you need to do for a super novice painter like me. So these are all the things you need. I'm not going to go through it right now, but I'm going to put up a picture and put little labels of what everything is so you know exactly what you need. So what we've already started here is we've started taping off the surfaces that we don't want the paint to get on. So Devin, why don't we go ahead and finish that really quick. Alright, so we've got everything taped up, and the next thing you want to do is you're spackling over the other little holes you have from previous projects. Like this, we took out the dinette. So we want to cover these holes. Now these holes here are from our curtains and our shades, so we want to leave those there so we know where to put them back up when we're done. So you get a little bit of the putty, you put it on, then you do this little motion, spackle, okay, and then it'll be pink, but you'll know it's dry when it's white. So then once it's dry, you take the sandpaper and you sand over it a little bit so that it's like a nice flat surface. Then you have to sand the whole area that you're going to paint. So that is what we're about to tackle now. Alright, so we're done sanding, and honestly, that is the part that stressed me out the most about this project. I was really nervous to do the sanding. I just thought it was going to be super time consuming, but it really wasn't that bad. So just jump in and give it a try. You'll see it's not that bad either. So we need to clean the surface now. There is a cleaner that is specifically made to prep your walls for painting. It didn't come in time from Amazon, but I'll link it in the comments. So let's get to cleaning. Real talk, don't like the sponge. I feel like it just spread it all around and that was nasty. So we opted with the paper towel and it worked a lot better. So now that the surface area is clean, we are going to put on primer!
Alright, primer that's great for any surface. It provides an aesthetic administration and a fast
seriously? Alright, so we are all primed here, and I just want to talk a little bit about making choices. So we went to Lowe's and we got these little samples of paint colors that we found that we liked on Pinterest actually. So we just went ahead and painted a couple of swatches here so we could see what we liked. These green ones are going to go on the island as like an accent color, and these are our options for the wall. So that's a really important thing to do, is to make sure that you paint it on the wall first just a little bit so you can make a choice about what you're really going to like in the long run. We still can't decide, so we're going to paint more of the area with these two and make a choice. To choose the color we wanted, we really needed to see it in natural light and not just the lights in the RV. So we left it overnight and we came back in this morning. We decided that we liked the off-white rather than the stark white. We're going to get started on the rest of the RV. If you guys have any questions, I'm not a pro, but I'd be happy to share with you what I've learned. So drop them in the comments and make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, guys. See ya!